Look at this question. Find the quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and the product of its zeros are respectively. Okay, they given the sum and the product. We want to make a quadratic polynomial. Actually, this question is they can ask it another way also. So remember
Good evening, sir.
the sum and yes, good evening, good morning. Sorry, good evening. The sum and the product are given. Okay, the sum and the product are given. This is the method how we can find a quadratic polynomial. The method is x square minus, if it is in x square minus sum into x plus product. Here remember this is the formula. What's the formula? X square minus sum into x plus product. So remember the first question. Look, the first question is 1 by 4 comma minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 comma minus 1. In 1 by 4 comma minus 1, the first one is the sum. This is the sum. Don't consider it as a alpha. Consider it as alpha plus beta. Okay, alpha consider you want to consider it as alpha plus beta. And the second one is the product. The product is alpha into beta. That is alpha beta. Zara, ke audible hai? Zara?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Vaishnavi? Quadratic equation finish chapter. Hello. Not audible. So alpha plus beta is given, alpha into beta is given. So what is the formula? Ishan, formula the formula is x square minus alpha plus
Hello,
beta.
sir.
Yeah. Vaishnavi, your quadratic formula is finished. The chapter is over in school.
No, sir. No, sir. Extra questions now.
This is the homeworks are given. How the Mrs. given homework through WhatsApp?
No, sir. Class time is another hour.
Okay. Okay. So the alpha plus beta is given. What is alpha plus beta? 1 by 4 and alpha beta minus 1. So how you can write this one? X square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus, you put a minus 1 by 4 into x plus alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to minus 1. That is x square minus 1 by 4 x minus 1. This is the correct answer. If you stop here, you will get full mark, no problem. Otherwise, you can modify like this way. Multiply throughout with the, what is the denominator? Denominator is 4. So throughout multiply with the 4. 4 into, and here also 4 into. Here also 4 into. This 4 into x square is equal to 4x square. Here this 4 and 4 cancel, minus 1x is remaining, and this is 4. So it is 4x square minus 1x minus 4. And the question question
Sir,
is
can you
1
say
by
once
4.
again?
Yeah, 1 by 4 minus 1. What the question is given is, Samim, look here. Sum is given. The sum is the first one. The sum is 1 by 4. And the product is given. Product is the second one, that is minus 1. They ask him make a quadratic polynomial. If the sum and the product are given, this is the sum. Remember, this is the sum and this is the product. Sum of product make a quadratic polynomial. That's the question. Okay, the sum is given, the product is given. So this is the method how we want to find the quadratic polynomial. The method is x square minus sum. Sum is alpha plus beta into x plus product. Product is alpha into beta. That is x square minus 1 by 4 into x plus alpha beta, that is minus 1. So what we want to do, throughout multiply throughout with this denominator. There's a one denominator here. There's a one fraction. What is the fraction? 4. Right? So multiply throughout with the 4. So you can write this as x square minus 1 by 4 into x into minus 1. You want to multiply throughout 4. Multiply with 4. 4 into x square, 4x square. This 4 and 4 cancel, minus is remaining, and this is minus 4. So 4x square minus x minus 4. Aisha Muskan present, right? Aisha Muskan present. Raylon is present. Akna Lahan and Tamil. Okay. Asha and yes. Nathan is absent. Vaishnavi presented. And Avantika is the Chris is the no, Chris is not there. Ishan here. Ishan Rashid is available. Zara is also available. So look the next question. The next question is root 2 comma 1 by 3. Zara, batao, how will do this one?
Formula x square.
So no need a formula, just to answer. I'll leave the answer. X square minus
root 2
x
root 2
plus
x
product
plus
plus product
1.
1 by 3. The next step
3 multiplied.
3 into x square
3x square minus
minus 3 root
3
2
root
x
2x plus
plus
x.
when we are multiplying here with 3, like throughout we are multiplying with 3. The last step is 3 and 3 cancel. What is remaining? 1 is remaining.
1.
Tamim മനസ്സിലായോ? Tamim, you got it?
Sir.
Okay, Tamim. Then what is this answer? The sum is equal to root 3. Sum is equal to root 3 and the product is equal to 3. 1 by 6. Second field, okay, 2. Minus 1 by 6. Let's see.
X square minus root 3 x plus 1 by minus 1 by 6.
1. Next step
6 on into
6x square
6 minus
6 root 3x.
6 root 2.
And we are multiplying with 6 here. The 6 and 6 cancel. What is remaining? Minus 1. Okay. Aisha Muskan, you got it? Good. Then we can do some extra questions. Okay. You will do some extra questions, sir? Yes? Ready, Ala? Ready, Zara? Raylon? Avantika, Vaishnavi? Asha.
Yes.
Okay, the first question is how many zeros? Tell me how many zeros? No need write. If you want, you can write. There is no need write. Because record class available, that's fine. How many zeros? Tamim. How many zeros?
Sir, 4.
4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4 zeros. Okay, the next question. Make a quadratic polynomial. Only the figure is given. Make a quadratic polynomial. So how you can make this quadratic polynomial? Look, where it cuts the x-axis. This is obviously the horizontal is the x-axis, and the vertical one is the y-axis. The zeros, Arsha, which are the zeros? The zeros are
-4 and 5.
yeah, -4 and 5. The zeros are -4 and 5. So you can write the alpha as -4 and beta as beta is equal to 5. Clear, Aya? We want to consider the alpha, the 1 0. We got 2 zeros. So the first 0 is alpha, the second 0 is beta. So if you want, you can take alpha as 5, beta as -4, no problem. But at least one you can consider alpha as a -4 and beta as a 5. So how you can making a quadratic polynomial? What is the formula? X square minus again. What is the formula? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is okay. So here you will get x square minus alpha plus beta. What is alpha? -4 plus beta. Beta is equal to 5. So x square minus -4 plus 5 into x plus alpha beta. What is alpha into beta? -4 into 5. That is x square minus x minus 20. So that is the answer. X square minus x minus 20.
Sorry, x square ന്റെ ശേഷം മൈനസ് ആയിരിക്കും പ്ലസ് ആയിരിക്കും സർ രണ്ട് മൈനസ് കൂടി ചേരുമ്പോൾ
ഇല്ല അതെന്താ പ്രോബ്ലം your question is correct genuine question ആണ്
Sir,
This is the one.
x square minus answer at the last it is x square minus
x square minus x minus 20
sir അതെങ്ങനെ
അതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ we know the board mass rule what inside the bracket we want to do. Okay, board mass bracket open division multiplication addition or subtraction. So board mass rule is important. So check what is inside the bracket. -4 plus 5. Arsha, -4 plus 5. What is -4 plus 5? That is 1. That is positive 1. Okay, this positive 1 and outside this negative is positive and is negative together negative. Different sign. So that's why negative. That's why the negative 1. Arsha, Arsha asks a question like this way. Arsha think x square minus -4 plus 5 into x something. So you took these two negatives as a plus, so you will get x square plus 9x. No, Arsha?
സർ 1 ഞാൻ 1 ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചു പക്ഷെ മൈനസ് പാർട്ട്
Minus, okay. So this is do the second question. Make the quadratic polynomial. Make a quadratic polynomial. Vaishnavi, Railon is there. Railon out there. Railon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, Railon. Tell me, Tamim, what's the answer? X square.
Sir, get it.
Asha, tell your turn.
X square minus 8x. 8x, sorry, 2x minus 15.
X square minus 2x minus 15. Asha, sorry. Tamil, okay. Alpha, this is the alpha and this one is the beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to actually minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. And alpha beta is equal to minus 3 into 5. That is minus 15. So x square minus 2x minus 15. Then with the next question. Next question is actually CBSE 2020 question. This is the CBSE board exam question. We need to find the zeros of x square minus 3x minus m into m plus 3. X square minus 3x minus m into m plus 3. This is a special type of question. I will explain. Actually, we are doing the splitting the middle term method. This is the middle term, minus 3x is the middle term. So we are splitting the middle term. Look the method. X square is x square. Minus 3 is, you can write minus of m plus 3 minus m. Is it true? Minus of, look here, minus of m plus 3 minus m. What is m plus 3 minus m? Sarah, this m and m will can cancel. This m and m will get cancelled. What is remaining? One will remaining there. 3 will be there. Okay, there also minus is there. So it is correct. The 3 you can write m plus 3 minus m. The special type question on m plus 3 minus m. The we rewrite the 3 as this 3 as we rewrite the 3 as m plus 3 minus m. Okay. And minus this into x, as x is we needed right here, x, and minus this part, m into m plus 3. So this is x square. When we are multiplying this with x, you will get minus of m plus 3 into x. And when we are multiplying to here, minus into minus plus mx minus m into m plus 3. When we are taking these two terms together, you will get x as a common. Then x minus m plus 3 is remaining. If you are taking the m as common, m into x minus m plus 3. Now, this x minus m plus 3 is common. You can write x minus m plus 3 and here remaining x, here remaining m. If you are equating each with 0, if the first bracket is 0, if x minus m plus 3 is equal to 0, you can take completely this m plus 3 to this side. You will get x is equal to minus m plus 3 become as plus m plus 3. In the second bracket, if x plus m is equal to 0, x is equal to plus m become as minus m. So the answer is minus m and m plus 3. Thank you. One side into side no one side level. Okay, it's very sure that you didn't get completely. So once again we can do. Okay, just write down. I'll explain again. Important one. 2-mark question. CBSE 2020 question after 2-mark. ആർക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ? സാറയുടെ മൈക്ക് മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തോളൂ. Okay. Look, the question is x square minus yeah, let's
Okay.
look the question. The question is x square minus 3x minus m into m plus 3. We are using the method splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term means we want to change this negative 3. How we are changing the negative 3? Look at how we are changing. The negative we are changing like this way. M plus 3 minus m. Okay, m plus 3 minus m. Isha, no, you got a doubt. If you have any doubt, please ask. Aisha, Aisha Muskan. Okay. Minus 3 we changing like this way. M plus 3 minus m. M plus 3 minus m means m and m cancel. What will be the remaining? The 3 will be there. Railon, Avantika, Vaishnavi. Okay. Zara, now this step is clear. This step, only this step. Check this step. Only this step. Check. Is it okay? Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We change as x this minus 3 as. So we need to put a minus also here. Outside also one negative. So now it's okay. This m and m will get cancelled. M and m will get cancelled. Minus into 3 is equal to minus 3. Then you will get minus 3. അതായത് മിഡിൽ ടേം സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. മിഡിൽ ടേം സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. The middle term is minus 3. Okay. We want to get the answer at least. We want to get the answer. We changing this middle term minus 3 as m plus 3 minus 3. Sorry, minus. What will get? M plus 3 minus m. And then m cut in. What will be remaining? The 3 only remain. Okay, it is equal to 3. Alle.
Yes.
What is this answer? No. M plus 6 minus m. What is the answer?
Minus 6.
Outside. Okay, m and m cancel. There is a negative 6 outside. Negative is outside. Negative 6. Same method. So same way we converted like this way. This minus m as minus into m plus 3 minus m. Okay. Then negative then middle term split 0. So the first is x square like this way. X square is x square. X square is x square. We split it only the middle term. We change the middle term minus 3 as minus of m plus 3 minus m. And this x itself minus this part is no change. M into m plus 3. This is the first step. This is the first step. X square minus this 3 is equal to be changed as m plus 3 minus m into x minus m into m plus 3. I'm going to just change it. സമയം നല്ല ശ്രദ്ധിക്കട്ടോ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് വൈഷ്ണവി. What is the meaning of this one? Look, we can rearrange this m plus 3 as 1. This part as a 1. And this is another. So you are multiplying this x square is x square. When we are multiplying this with this one, you will get minus of inside m plus 3 into x. When we are multiplying this with here, minus m into x. Close the bracket, minus m into m plus 3. So നമ്മൾ ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. സമയമേ ഈ എക്സ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് using this multiply ആണ്. X into m plus 3, that is m plus 3x. X into this x into m plus 3, that is m plus 3x. then x into minus m, that is minus mx. Okay, the negative no change, this negative is here, this negative is here, x into m plus 3x, x into minus m minus mx. Now there is a negative, so we need to distribute negative. Negative into positive is negative, negative into negative is positive. So the next step you can write x square minus m plus 3 into x, minus into minus plus mx. Negative multiply when we are multiplying with negative, negative into m plus 3x, negative into m plus 3x is negative m plus 3x. Negative into negative mx is equal to positive mx. Step Akna, ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes, sir.
ഇഷാന ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ക്ലിയർ ആ? തമീമ കിളി പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. തമീമ
മനസ്സിലായി.
ഓക്കെ ആണ്? ഓക്കെ. ആയിഷ മുസ്കാൻ, this step is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is remaining now? The remaining is minus this part, minus m into this part, minus m into m plus 1, m plus 3, minus m into m plus 3. Now we want to take the common outside. Okay, look, the first and second term, this together one can consider, and the third and fourth you can consider together, and we want to take the common also. In first and second, this yellow part, what is common? This x square is actually x into x, minus this is m plus 3 into x. So now what is the common? X is common, x here and x here also. So if you take x here, you will get this is x minus, and what is remaining here? M plus 3. So this is x into x minus m plus 3 plus, and this part, look at this part. This part, this mx is actually m into x minus this is actually m into m plus 3. Now the m is common. You can take that m. What is remaining? X is remaining here, and here if you change this is m plus 3. So m into x into m plus 3. Check it. Nathan, why late? Nathan.
So my laptop, sir. So my laptop was not working fast. It was slow.
Okay. What's the brand of your laptop?
Lenovo.
Lenovo. ThinkPad? Is it ThinkPad?
No, sir. Not ThinkPad.
No. Okay. Zara, now what is the common? X minus m plus 3 is the common. The common is x minus m plus 3. You can write the common as x minus m plus 3. Now what is remaining here? X is remaining here, and here it is m. So x minus m plus 3 into x plus 1. You can equate this with the 0. So the first one, the first bracket is 0, this is 0, the first bracket is 0, you will get x minus m plus 3 equal to 0. The value of the x is equal to, take this minus m plus 3 to the right side, it become plus m plus 3. So it is plus m plus 3. So we got one value for the x as x equal to m plus 3. And if you're taking the second bracket is x plus m, that is x plus m is equal to 0. To get the value of the x, you want to bring this plus m to the right side. So it will become minus m. So we have two values. The first value is m plus 3 and the second value is minus m. I'll give the separate video of this problem. Okay, then it will be clear. Otherwise, we will stick in this problem. So, and then a separate video. Then the question, I will give the separate video of this question only. So it will be easy. We can revise and watch. Okay. Okay, just leave it this one. No, one question. Actually, the case study based question. There's also a board exam question, 2023 question. And they're saying that on paragraph is given PSLV is successfully launched in July 18, 1980 from the Sahel Quarter range when broken satellite. Something is given, blah, blah, blah is given. No need to mind that one. The question is actually starting from here. They given one figure, and this is the figure. They're saying that the starting time in this condition was very pathetic condition. So they fired one toy rocket. Okay, this is the shape of the toy rocket. This is the shape of the toy rocket. And they given the toy rocket is fired from into the air from the top of the tall building. Let its height above the ground after a time t second is given by the time is the height is given. This height is given. Suppose this is the height. This height is given. Pt equal 24t square minus 41t 41t plus 12. Two questions. The first question is, look, the first question is, what will be the shape of the graph? What is the shape of graph? The second question, find number of zeros. Third question, find zeros. Okay, come on. Ishan, what is the shape of the graph? First question we can do. What is the shape of the graph? This is the shape of the graph, right?
Parabola.
Yes, parabola. The shape of the graph is, the first answer is parabola. And Akna, what is find number of zeros? Second question is find number of zeros. How many zeros will be there?
2 zeros.
2 zeros, because it cut here and here also. So obviously the answer is 2 zeros. And the third question is find the zeros. How we can find the zeros? We want to factorize and we want to equate that polynomial with the zero. We want to factorize and we want to equate that polynomial with zeros. 24t square minus 41t plus 12. So this is the question. We look how we find the zeros. Just equate this 24t square minus 41t plus 12 is equal to 0. You can use, after studying the quadratic equation, better use quadratic formula and find it one. Otherwise, we want to split the middle term. Okay. Calculator use ചെയ്യുന്നത്. 24t square minus 41t plus 12. When we are comparing this with the ABC, A is equal to 24, B is equal to minus 41, and C is equal to 12. First of all, we need to find the B square minus 4AC. The B square minus 4AC value is equal to minus 41 whole square minus 4AC. 4 into A is equal to 24, and C is equal to 12. C is equal to 12. So 41 into 41 is equal to 1681 minus 4 into 24 into 12, that is 1152, that is equal to 1681 minus 1152 is equal to 529. This is equal to 529. So if you're taking minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a minus b is equal to 41, that is minus 41, plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, that is 529, all divided by 2a, 2 into 24. So negative into negative become positive, so it is 41 plus or minus 23 divided by, that is 48. So we have two chances. The first one is equal to 41 plus 23, that is 64 divided by 48, or the second chance is 41 minus 23, that is 18 divided by 48. So in first, if we divide both the numerator and denominator with the 8 by 6, again you can cut, you will get it as 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3. And the second is that 18 by 48. 9 by 24. Yeah, 9 divided by 24. So these are the zeros, 4 by 3 and 9 by 24. This question important because they using quadratic equation and quadratic polynomial together. Explain cheyano adinte bhagam. Samim explain cheyano. B square
No, sir.
minus 4ac d bhagam. Okay, if we want to explain, I'll explain. Aisha want to explain again?
Yes, sir.
So
What
the
explain?
5 marks, sir?
Yeah, 5 mark question because for first, second, two mark question. Look, the Aisha, This is the equation. The equation is 24t square minus 41t plus 12. They are saying we want to find the zeros. That is, find the zeros means we need to find the value of the t. Here the variable is t, so we want to find the value of t. Here the split in the middle term is little bit difficult. So we are equating this with at square plus bt plus c. We already studied quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square plus 4ac all divided by 2a. So when we are comparing, you will get this is a equal to 24, and the b is equal to minus 41, and the c is equal to 12. Okay, this is a, b, and c. So the next step is we need to find b square minus 4ac to check whether the equation given is correct or wrong. Okay, b square minus 4ac. b is equal to minus 41, so it is minus 41 square minus 4ac. 4 into a is equal to 24 into c is equal to 12. Then we need to check 41 square, 41 into 41. Answer is 1681 minus this 4 into 24 into 12. 4 into 24 into 12 is equal to 1152. So if you subtract this from here, you will get 230 minus 1681. 529. The difference is 529. 529 is a positive value. Okay. So there will be factor for this one. And just to check what is the root 529. Because the 529 root is equal to 23. Just to keep this one. Okay. This root is equal to 23. 529 root is equal to 23. Okay. And what's the formula for finding the value of the variable? What's the formula, Aisha? Or you can find x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Actually, here we are finding not x, we are finding the t here. Okay, t. Nathan, I think you are following what I'm saying. So minus b. What is the value of minus b? Look here, minus b. That is minus. What is the value of b? B is equal to minus 41. Yeah, b is equal to minus 41. So you wrote minus 41 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Root of b square minus 4ac. We got b square minus 4ac value. What is that? 529. So it is root of b square minus 4ac is equal to root of 529 whole divided by 2a. The meaning of the 2a is equal to, this is the 2a. 2a is equal to 2 into a. What is that? A is equal to 41. That is 2 into 41. Sorry, 2 into 24. So Aisha, these two negatives become as a positive. Okay, negative for Aisha. You listening?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these two negative become as a positive. So it is 41 plus or minus. Ishane, what is root 529?
23.
Yeah, it is 23. Yeah, 23. So it is 23 divided by 2 into 24 is equal to 48. Okay, so we have two options. The first option is t is equal to 41 plus 23 divided by 48. Or the second option is t is equal to 41 minus 23 divided by 48. Okay, if you're finding 41 plus 23, you will get 64. So you will have two values. That the first value is 64 divided by 48. Or the second value t is equal to 41 minus 23, that is 18 divided by 48. We have these two values. Okay, we have these two values. The first is 64 divided by 48. Second is 18 divided by 48. How we need to get the small answer? We want to get the answer in the standard form. So in 64 and 48, you can divide it with 16. If you're dividing both with 16, you will get 4 divided by 3. Okay, 16 into 4, 64. This is 4 by 3. And here, if you divide with both with the numerator and denominator 2, 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 into 24 is equal to 48. So the next answer is 9 by 24. So we have two answers. The first one is 4 by 3. The second one is 9 by 24.
Sir, 9 by 24 നമുക്ക് പിന്നെ simplify ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും.
9 by 24 going to simplify. You can divide both with 3. 3 divided by 8.
8.
Yeah. 3 divided. So 4 by 3 or 3 by 3. Nathan, Asha, Raylon, Amantika.
Yes, sir.
Look, the next verse. Can I change it? This one? Sarah, finished? Isha, Aisha, can I change it?
Yes, sir.
Amantika, Raylon. Look, the next one. They given one honeycomb figure. They given one honeycomb, but a honeycomb and the figure is given. But after the honeycomb figure, they given it is in the this is the honeycomb figure they given. This is the honeycomb figure, and here it is -4, and here it is 4. We have the first question, as usual. The first question, the shape of the graph. Akna, what is the shape of the graph? Parabola. Yes.
Parabola.
Second equation, find the expression of the polynomial. Second question, Anna, the important. Find expression of the polynomial. How you can find the expression of the polynomial? What is the expression of the polynomial? That is, we want to express this graph in terms of the polynomial. So definitely we have two zeros. Okay, we have two zeros. This is the first zero, the second zero. So what is the formula? We can take it the first one as a alpha, the second one as beta. So how you can express the polynomial? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So the answer is x square minus alpha plus beta into x, that is minus 4 plus 4 into x plus alpha beta, that is minus 4 into 4. That is x square minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0, that is 0x plus 4 into -4 into -4 is equal to -16. This is -16. So we got the answer as x square minus 16. This is the expression. Okay, you will get 2 marks. So 1 mark is for the shape of the graph, that is 1 mark. Next is the expression. Find the expression. Vaishnavi Mungipoyo. Vaishnavi, no, she's not. Okay. So x square minus 16. Third question. Third question is, look the third question. Third question, find the value of the polynomial. Find value of the polynomial when x equal to 4. Come on. Find the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 4. What is the polynomial? Polynomial is the P of X is, we got the P of X. The P of X is equal to x square minus 16. They asking, we need to find the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, replace this x as 4. So the P of 4, we need to find P of 4. Therefore, the P of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 16. What is 4 square? 16. 16 minus 16. What is 16 minus 16? 0. So the answer is 0. One more question is given. Verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Last question. Please write the last question. Verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Write down. Verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Avantika, write down. Nathan, you're writing because your camera is off, so I can't see
Yes, sir.
what is going there. Okay. Then. So how you can verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient? Look, the polynomial given. Now we got the polynomial as, what is the polynomial? X square minus 16. When we are comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c, what is the value of a? Akna, what is the value of a?
1.
1. What is the value of b? Any term with x? Lilo, x in a term lilo?
11.
0,
0.
0, 0. And what is the value of c? Minus 16. Okay. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 16. So how you can verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient? What is the step? What are the steps? Raylon, tell me what are the steps? First equate this polynomial with the x square minus 16 is equal to 0. Then take this minus 16, that's how you will get x square is equal to 16. If you want to find the value of the x, you want to take the root of 16. What is root of 16, Raylon? What is root of 16? Avantika. Okay, Raylon. Yes, tell me, Raylon. What is root 16? Plus or minus 4. Okay, plus or minus 4. That is alpha is equal to negative 4. Beta is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to negative 4. Beta is equal to 4. So we need to find alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Negative 4 plus 4. What is that? 0. And check what is minus b by a. That is minus 0 by 1. That is also 0. So both are same. So we can say that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. The first part verified. The second part. Arsha, tell me how we can verify the second part. What is second part? That's the next step. Arsha, alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta? Negative 4 into 4. What is negative 4 into 4? Negative 16. And check what is c by a. C is equal to negative 16 by 1. That is also negative 16. So you can say that this part is also same. This is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Therefore, relationship verified. 5 mark question on that. This is a 5 mark question. Tomorrow no we have tomorrow no class. The next class is on Monday. Okay. Monday we will finish some more. We will do some more question and we will finish this chapter.
Sir,
Clear?
Tuesday exam.
Tuesday exam. So
Yeah, next exam.
so you want to finish, right? So I will contact you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 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 Bye. See you all.
Next.
Good night. Good
Thank
night.
you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you,
Thank you all.
sir.
Bye. Good night. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
You send this to him.
Thank you, Arsha.